we getting a visit from the pretty kitty today? Come here. Oh, I know you love me so much. Did you want to purr into the microphone and tell the people how much you love me? Who are we listening to today? We're doing Havana. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, check that one off the list. Havana, na na. Okay, we're going to listen to Camila. That's. Do I still have another cat hair on my face? Ooh, da-na-na, ooh, ooh. That's the part we're gonna make. Get ready for today's piece of artwork, guys. Okay, so we're gonna break this up. Ooh, super easy, right? Ooh, 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 Does that make sense? Ooh, ooh, we're going to speed up this section now. Here we go. Let's start slow again. Slow. Again. And now gradually get faster and faster and faster until one day you can do it the way that she does. Ready? Ready? There we go. That was another intermediate vocal lick from Camila Cabello, Havana. Or is it Camila Cabello or Camila Cabello? Featuring Young Thug. You always got to do the featurings. You always got to list everybody, okay? I wish I could list all the songwriters because I think they're equally as important, but we're not there today. So, yeah. Come on back for some more beginning, intermediate, and advanced lick breakdowns. If you want to really take a deep dive into how to do this, you can sign up to any of my courses. I've got my Singing by Ear course with Jaren Surf, because that's me, Jaren Surf, linked in the description below. I've got more courses on the way.